How to fix motion blur issues when rendering car views. In this project, we have this car, and we have the simple animations in the sequencer. You can see this car view's motion blur is not very good. So how I set it in rendering? And I select plugin and select movie render queued. We make sure we check it and close it, and we'll select this button and open it. And then next I click setting and add the PNG, and I will delete this one. And next I will add aliasing, and I will change this value, and I check this one. And then next I gonna do add the console variable, and I add this r.MotionBlur, and we select r.MotionBlurQuality. Select it and change this value 4. I will add another one, r.MotionBlur, and select separable, and I change this value to 1, and I select output, and I think this setting is okay. Accept and render, and yeah, it starts rendering now. Yeah, we're coming back. The car view's motion blur, I think, is perfect. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like my content, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. See you next time.